Your blood test came back and your creatinine is high. Your doctor looks serious. You went home and Googled it, and now you're terrified. Stop. Take a breath. I'm going to explain exactly what this means in plain English, and most of the time, it is not what you fear. Hi, this is MRCP Doc, internal medicine physician. Every single day, I explain blood results to patients and their families. Today, I want to explain creatinine, what it is, why yours might be high, and what you should actually do about it. What is creatinine? Think of your muscles like a car engine. Every time your engine runs, it produces exhaust. Creatinine is your body's exhaust, a waste product your muscles produce naturally every single day. Your kidneys act like the exhaust pipe. They filter it out and remove it through your urine. When creatinine builds up in your blood, it simply means your kidneys are not filtering as well as they should be. That is it. Why does it go high? The most common reasons are actually very simple. You were dehydrated when the blood was taken. This is the #1 cause, and it is completely reversible. You have an infection or fever. You just did heavy exercise before the test. You take certain medications like ibuprofen regularly. Less commonly, and this is what people fear, it can mean the kidneys are under strain long term. But one high result alone does not mean kidney failure. One result means we need more information. What should you do? 3 simple steps. First, drink more water for 2 days and repeat the test. In many cases, it simply normalizes. Second, tell your doctor every medication and supplement you take, including over-the-counter painkillers. Third, ask your doctor to also check your eGFR. That is the number that actually tells us how well your kidneys are working as a percentage. Creatinine alone is just one piece of the puzzle. I want you to leave this video feeling informed, not frightened. One abnormal blood result is a signal to pay attention, not a diagnosis. Your body gave you information. Now you know what to do with it. Knowledge is not fear, it is power. If this helped you understand your blood results better, give this video a like. It truly helps this channel reach more patients who need this information. Subscribe so you never miss a plain English explanation of your health. And if you have a question, drop it in the comments below. I read every single one. Share this with a family member whose results confuse them. They will thank you. This is MRCP Doc, and I'll see you in the next one.